Howdy, howdy, howdy. How's everybody doing tonight? So you guys, what's the deal with those hands-free headsets that everybody's wearing in their ears, right? It's like, hey, everybody look at me. I'm 1 part robot and 3 parts asshole.
Jesus Christ!
I mean, am I right or am I right? Screw it.